My name is Linh. Between Moon English. I'm a student in Vietnam. I want to speak. I want to learn English. Did I come here have to practice English? Can you help me?
Yes.
Oh, thank you. What is your name?
Rhiannon.
Wow, yes, it's my name. Where are you from?
Melbourne in Victoria.
Wow. Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, yep. Do you know something about Vietnam?
Do I know something?
Yes. Yes.
Very pretty.
Oh.
Very pretty.
Tôi có thể nói rõ cái gì Việt Nam?
Nói như nào chị?
Let me introduce.
Let me introduce you to Vietnam.
Yes.
Yes. Welcome to Vietnam.
Thank you.
Oh, the land of miracle. The land of miracle.
Oh, yeah.
Vietnam is unique,
Yeah.
beautiful, and charming country.
Yeah.
Yes, it has long history of rich, various culture and many beautiful views from north to south. Vietnam has tropical weather, so it's a wonderful place to travel year round.
Yeah.
When you are here, you can visit Hanoi, Ho Chi Minh City,
Yeah.
Halong Bay, Sapa, and so on. Vietnamese people love peace and freedom so much.
Yeah.
They are intelligent, hardworking, and very hospitable. Vietnam is also famous for delicious food, such as phở, bún chả, bánh mì latte, or chả cá. Yes. Vietnam is that's why Vietnam become one of the most attractive place in the world.
Yeah.
Yes. Do you know something in Hanoi?
What am I doing in Hanoi?
Yes.
We're just going to have a look around. Yeah? Yeah?
Yes. Welcome to Hanoi, the capital of Vietnam.
Yeah.
Yes. Anyone who has ever visited Hanoi will probably tell you that it's maybe the most beautiful city in Asia.
Yeah?
Yes. Hanoi is famous over the world. Long history and unique culture. If you come to Hanoi, don't forget to visit Ho Chi Minh Mausoleum.
Yeah.
Hàm Kiếm Lake.
Yeah.
Temple of literature. Temple of
Literature.
Yes.
Literature, yeah.
The old thunder
Yeah.
and so on. You should also try eat the delicious street food, such as phở, bún chả, bánh mì latte, or chả cá. Yes. The weather in Hanoi is very yes. I really like the spring and the autumn so much. Because good weather and beautiful color of trees.
Yeah?
Yes. More and more foreigners visit Hanoi every year.
How long have you been?
How long have you been here?
2 days.
Wow, 3 days. Yes.
So I'll be here for 3 weeks.
Oh,
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh.
What do you think about Vietnamese student?
Very nice.
Yeah.
Yes.
What is most attractive when you come to Hanoi?
Who or what?
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 Yeah. What is the most attractive? Yeah.
The pretty?
Pretty. The view.
Yeah, the view.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah. Can you?
Nice to meet you guys.
Yeah. Can you
How do
have?
you say thank you in Vietnam?
Oh,
Cảm ơn.
cảm ơn.
Come on.
Cảm
Yes,
ơn.
cảm ơn. Yes.
Yeah.
So this comes.
Yeah.
Can you give her some comments about her pronunciation
Very
and
good.
yeah?
Really good English.
Oh,
Yeah,
yes.
yeah.
Thank you. Yes.
How long did it take you to learn it?
How long?
How long have you tried to study English?
Học tiếng Anh bao lâu?
1 month.
1 month.
1 month to go.
Oh wow, really good job.
Oh,
Yeah,
Oh, yes.
it's taken me like 3 years to learn Japanese. So
Wow.
good job. Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Good job. Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Bạn có thể chụp với tôi một bức ảnh không?
Can I take a photo?
Em muốn take-
Yeah. Okay, now you can take a photo.
Have you guys?
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh,
Yeah, that's
thank
fine.
you.
Yeah, okay.